Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit using CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and I think CapCut is one of the best app because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. So how to use CapCut to create videos easily for sharing or just for fun? Just simple, after you downloaded the CapCut app, just open and you can select media and then import or add some videos, photos, or audios that you want to edit, and just drag here or make a clip like this. So you can check out the preview panel, timeline, and then toolbar picture here. You can split the clip, delete the clip, freeze, reverse, or mirror, rotate, crop. You can doing to add the animation and then um, remove the background and add the audio, text, sticker effect, transition, and many more you can getting from CapCut. So you can also change the aspect ratio, and after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button on the top right corner, and then I think is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click the thanks button for appreciation and ensure thanks.